Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to make some meatballs in fried tomato sauce. I hope that you enjoyed today's recipe and look forward to hearing any comments from you. And as usual, I will leave the ingredients list at the end of the video and also in the description of the video. So let's start cooking. Well, today to start off, I'm going to turn the heat on to full whack and I'm going to add some olive oil, about a tablespoon of olive oil, and wait for that to heat up. Okay, so once the oil is hot, I'm going to add the meatballs and I'm going to brown them off, seal them. And in the meantime, I'm going to do some chopping. So let's start off by peeling the garlic. And we'll chop it up into little pieces. Once again, I forgot to put a cloth underneath my mat and I can feel it sliding away. Never mind. So the onion is chopped, the garlic is chopped, and now I'm going to do the same with the onion. Can you hear the meatballs frying away? Cool. Alright, so that's done. So let's have a look at these meatballs and see how they are going. Right, let's move them about a bit. They're browning off nicely. So let's leave them there. So let's turn these over again. This is a 30-minute recipe, so it's pretty quick to do. You can do more if you like, just double on the ingredients. That way you can have them for another day left over. I'm going to have mine with rice today, but with pasta or with chips, they're really nice as well. So I'm going to turn this down to number 7 now. So let's give them a shake about. And they're ready. So I'm going to take them out and put them on a plate. and I'll leave them to one side for a bit. And in that same oil, I'm going to add the onion and garlic and gently brown it off. Okay, now once this is slightly browned, what I'm going to do is add one of these meat stock cubes, or you can use a vegetable one if you like. So I'll crumble this one in there, just cut it into little bits. And I'm also going to add some oregano, a sprinkle, some sweet paprika, another sprinkle. You can add some hot one as well. And now I'm going to add half a glass of water, just so that the paprika doesn't burn, and I can dissolve the meat cube. Just give it a stir around and leave it for a couple of minutes until the meat cube has dissolved. Now today is shopping day. Looking forward to that. Let's see if I can find anything interesting at the supermarket, and also top up on things that I need, like flour, some spices, some pimenton. I can't forget that because I use it quite a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to add this fried tomato sauce, and I'm going to turn the heat down to number 5, so halfway. And obviously I'm going to put some water inside here because there's still loads left, but it won't come out, and I can't waste that, can I? So I've got some water in there. Hold it like that, give it a good shake, and pour it in. And we shall add some salt. We'll give it a stir, and once it starts boiling, bubbling, I'll add the meatballs in. So let's wait. Okay, so this is starting to slightly bubble away. So it's time to add the meatballs back in. There you go. So let's cover them all over with tomato sauce, fried tomato sauce, special fried tomato sauce. So as you can see, this is a quick to make recipe, very simple. And I'm going to turn it down to number 5, cover it up, and leave it there for 20 minutes, 15 minutes. Well, whoa, they've been here for 5 minutes, so let's give them a slight move about, just to make sure nothing's sticking. And cover them back up. The only real reason that I'm using a lid, because when you fry tomato, even if you have it on low, it splatters everywhere. So I prefer having a lid on. So while I'm waiting for this to be done, I'm going outside to grab a bit of parsley for decoration purposes. So 15 minutes have gone by. Let's have a look at this. Really nice. So what I'm going to do now is turn the heat off and cover it up and leave it there until it stops bubbling away, about 5 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay then, so this has stopped boiling, smelling delicious. So now I'll just push it up a bit by sprinkling some fresh parsley from my garden. So, what do you think? Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's recipe video. I look forward to receiving any comments that you may have, and I look forward to cooking again for you. So, I'll see you very soon with another delicious recipe. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.